Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to take this boring, simple shop and with a few steps, make it look like this. To the sleek, modern, designed shop, paired with dynamic shopping, gives your customers a truly amazing experience that they'll love. So let's dive right in. First thing we need to do is start editing the header. We're going to go over here to the left, to Appearances, Editor. Then we go to Patterns, scroll down to the bottom, and right here, Header. You got two to choose from. We're just going to edit this one. And we click in and start editing. One of the first things I like to do is to see how these blocks are organized. To do that, we just go up here to the left, these three lines, List View. A group just groups a whole bunch of blocks together. A row will make it so it's in a horizontal line. So we're going to want to add another row into here. And how we do that is just go here and hit the plus, search row, and add it in. Now we're going to want to put this navigation bar into the row. Just take that and drag it so it's a little bit aligned over to the row, and it's inside there. So now we can add a mini cart. Again, just when we click this plus, it's going to take us into the navigation. So what we need to do to get around this is click on row, hit the plus, type in mini cart, add it in there, and then we're going to go back to the three lines and see where it landed. It landed just outside the row. So again, we can just drag it up and drop it into this row block right here. Now we're going to add a button block. Let's go ahead and go over here, hit the plus, button, and we're going to move it into this row here. And we're going to say learn more. Close this to give us more space. Open the block editor. And if you have my theme, you just raise shadow to make it look a little more interesting. Add some radius to it. Now we're going to add a border. We'll do 1 pixel, black and solid. And there we go, where we got a raise effect. Now we're just going to want to change the color of the button itself. We'll make the text black and a little bigger. We'll do all capitals as well. Letter casing and all capitals. And there's our button. Now if you want to have a dark header, let's go ahead and change the background color. Just click into, make sure you're in that last group block. And you go into styles, background color, go ahead dark. And to change the color of all the header and everything, white. And with our button, we're going to go back into styles, change it to white. We're probably going to want to get rid of that border color. So let's go over here. And we're just going to hit reset on everything. And then put back in the radius. Hit save. Now I just want to add my logo. I already have it in my library. Go ahead and get rid of the text. And now we have a nice, clean header. Now I want to add some unique hover effects up here, and this will vary between themes. Some themes may have this ability, some might not. You're going to have to click on the individual items and to go to Styles, Underline, and now you have a nice little underline effect. Let's do it to all of them real fast. And now we have a nice little underline effect. One last thing, I'm just going to move this button to the far end. There we go, let's hit save. And now we'll start editing the shop page. As you can see, our shop page is looking really basic. It's very easy and quick to change that, especially with full site editing. We'll just go to the top left corner, click Edit Site, and it will take you to the products catalog, and that's where the shop page gets all its styles. We'll click into here, and we'll do all image, hit save. As you can see, a click of one button turns this into a modern looking store, great for your customers, and it makes it really appealing and keeps them shopping. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.